Today we shall solve some question which is based on ordering of integer and absolute value of integer. Before starting the exercise, let me revise some previous topic that we have studied in our last video. Okay student, so in my last video I told you about the absolute value of integer. Absolute value of integer, and in the absolute value of integer I explained that any number, they might be positive or negative. If we find their absolute value, they written as without sign. As we write the positive number or positive integer, we write them plus sign, and if we write a negative number or negative integers, then we write them with minus sign. Okay, but when we find their absolute value, means when we write them in mod, then we just write their absolute value without using their sign. So this may be written as 5 and it is also written as 5. In the both situation you can see that these numbers do not have their initial sign, so that we say that the absolute value of positive integer is always positive and the absolute value of negative integer is also always positive. So here we write the absolute value of plus 5 is equal to 5 and the absolute value of minus 5 is equal to also 5. Sometimes plus 5 can also be written as only mod of 5. Okay, since it has no any sign, that is plus or minus, if it has no any sign, then it regarded as positive integer. Okay, if the number have no any sign, that means they are positive, and if they have positive, then it already positive number. But if they have negative sign, then the negative number cannot be written as without sign. Therefore minus 5 will always written as with minus sign, and plus 5 may also be written as without sign, and thus absolute value of the both number is positive. Similarly, if we have another number minus 8, then its absolute value will be 8. Okay, if we have minus 1001, then its absolute value will be 1001, that is positive number. So if we find out the absolute value of positive number or negative number, it always gives us a positive number. Okay students, so this is the absolute value of integers. Now let us start our exercise 7.2. Let's start our exercise, in which there is a question: compare the following integer. Compare the following integer. Okay student, so here some question given: 4 minus 2 minus 1 5 minus 1 0 and minus 6 minus 8. There are some pair of integers given, and here we have to identify which pair, in which in the pair which number is greater. So if we see in the first pair, then we find that the number 4 lie on the number line on the right hand side of -2. 4 always lie on the right hand side of -2. Therefore 4 will be greater than -2. Then we put the symbol this. Okay student, as we see in the number line, this is the number line and this is the 0 and this is -1, this is -2, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And in this, on this number line we can see that the number 4 is on the right side of -2. Therefore the numbers which goes to the right side are greater number and the number which are on the left side are the smaller number. Therefore -2 will be smaller than 4, or you can say that 4 is greater than -2. Similarly, in the second question there is -1 and 5. Just see in this diagram, here we can see that if we extend this line like this, 5, 6 and so on, then here we can see that the number 5 lies on the right side of -1. -5 lie on the right hand side of -1. Therefore -1 smaller than 5. And the other concept you can also apply that 5 is positive and -1 is negative. Therefore the positive number are always greater than the negative number. Okay student, therefore we can say that -5 -1 is less than 5, or we can say that 5 is greater than -1. In the next, here we have -1 and 0, and in this case we have confused which one is greater. So in order to identify which number is greater, just look at the number line, then you will find that 0 lie on the right side of -1. Here on the number line we can see that 0 is lying on the right side of -1. Therefore it is obvious that 0 is greater than -1. 0 is greater than -1. Similarly, in the next question, if I draw the new number line, then we can easily find which one is greater. Here we cannot say that the number 8 is greater than 6, therefore -8 is greater than -6. No, if we see on the number line, then we find that -8 lie on the left of -6. This is the 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7 and -8. So on this number line we can see that -6 lie on the right side of -8, or -8 lie on the left side of -6. Therefore the number which goes to the right side means if we move from left to right, then the number increases. Therefore if we move from left to right, then on the way we will get -6 on moving right. Therefore -6 is greater than -8, so our answer will be like this. Okay student, so I hope that you have understood everything and there is no any doubt. So let's proceed next question. Arrange the following in ascending order. Arrange the following in In your previous class, you have already studied about ascending order and descending order. The ascending order represents the order of increasing number. The ascending order represents the order of increasing number, and descending order represents the order of decreasing number. Okay? In ascending order, number increases continuously, and in descending order, number decreases continuously. Okay? So here we have to write the ascending order of integer. Okay? So let's see. There is a question: 6 minus 8 minus 7 8 minus 3 and 0. There is a group of integers given, and we have to write these numbers in ascending order. So in order to write them in ascending order, we write the smallest number first and goes to further with greatest number. So in this data we can see that there is minus 8 is the smallest integer. So our answer will be minus 8, and the next greater number of minus 8 we have minus 7, because minus 7 lies on the right side of minus 8, therefore minus 7 is greater than minus 8. Or you can use, I will explain further. In the next we can see that minus 3 is just after minus 7, therefore this will be minus 3, and now the next is 0 and 6 and the last is 8. So this is the increasing order or ascending order of the integers as given here. You can also write them with the symbol of greater. Minus 8 is less than minus 7, is less than minus 3, is less than minus 0, and this is less than 6, and this is less than minus 8. So in this way you can also write them with in ascending order, or you can use like this. So both are representing ascending order. So student, this is the method for writing the ascending order of the integer. In this, first of all, we shall write the highest negative integer at first. So in the question, the highest negative integer is minus 8. Therefore, we write the minus 8 as the smallest number or smallest integer, and after this we shall continue repeat the same process, and in this way we shall get our required result. So I hope it is clear to all. Now let us see one more question from this. Nine, 7, 5, 9, 7, 5 minus 5 minus 3 and 0. Okay student, so let's write them in ascending order. So first of all, here you can see that the highest negative number is 5. The highest negative number is 5. So we first write minus 5, and after that the just greater number of minus 5 is minus 3. So we write here minus 3, and the just greater number of minus 3 is 0, and the next is 5, then 7, then 9. So in this way we will get our ascending order. Ascending order. So student, these are two questions which are based on the ordering of integer, and I hope that you understood everything very clearly. Okay, there are some more questions for you, so I suggest all students to write this question and try to solve. Okay, so if you have any doubt or any question, then please go to the comment section and mention your doubt. I will try to clear your doubt in the next video. So thank you very much for watching this video. Till then, goodbye.